Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you are doing awesome today. Now today I shall be doing the camera test of the Zenfone 4 Max Pro. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now I'm going to be doing a full camera test both on the front and on the back camera, on both dual cameras at the back here. Let's start. Now starting with the hardware, the Zenfone 4 Max Pro has a 16 megapixel f2.0 camera up front that shoots up to 1080p videos. Going around back here, we can find dual 16 megapixel cameras. The first one is the standard 26mm f2.0 camera, while the second is the 18mm f2.0 wide angle camera. The interface here is the new Zen UI 4, which I actually quite like. I made a video about that. You guys can check it out in the description down there below. Now there is a button to switch between the standard and the wide angle modes at the bottom. Now thanks to the wide angle cameras, you can be able to capture more at even the same distance, as you guys can see in this quick sample side by side. Now starting off with the test are the standard photos as well as the wide angle are taken on the Zenfone 4 Max Pro. Since I got this phone, I've noticed that it is not that sharp on average. Now this I think is due to a lack of stabilization. Another thing I noticed is that there is a white balance shift between the standard camera and the wide angle camera here on the Zenfone 4 Max Pro. Also, the shutter speed, especially at night, is very slow. This resulted in quite a few blurred shots, so I would suggest keeping your hand stable when taking photos. I must say I really love wide angle cameras, and here on the Max Pro it is no different. I like how it captures way more without you needing to move at all. And pictures in this mode turned out well sometimes, but most times they lack sharpness and had this color shift to it. Now I also carried out video tests both on the front and back camera of the Zenfone 4 Max Pro. Check them out. And this is the front camera video test of the Zenfone 4 Max. Yes, it is a Max, isn't it? Yes, my brain is sort of iffy. It's like almost 1 a.m. in the morning. Anyways, this is a front camera test you're going to be getting, and surprisingly, it actually looks good on here. I don't know how it's going to look when I take it to my computer, but it actually looks, well, not bad on here. Definitely the crop factor could be better, so I have to extend my hand a little bit more. And there's also flash, so I can also turn on the flash, which is, ooh, that is bright. Yeah, so it's entirely possible. So if I'm going to somewhere that is extremely dark, as you guys can see here, yes, the flash actually does work, though it turns me to a Martian, as you guys can see here. So I'm just going to remove it so you guys can actually see this is the front camera night test of the Zenfone 4 Max. And this is the back camera night test. Now I have pressed on the wide angle mode here. I'm not sure if it is the wide angle mode actually. I'm going to have to go back, but yes, this is the sample quality you're going to be getting from the wide angle camera on the Zenfone 4 Max Pro. Now low light performance here is looking very pixelated, I must admit, and stabilization wise, I don't know, I have to take it to my computer. But something I actually like right now with the new software is the fact that it actually you can actually turn on or turn off the flash. I just turned it on right now, as you guys can see, so that is really nice. I don't think that feature was there before. If it was, you can let me know. Anyways, that's basically been it for the wide angle lens, and this is the video test on the normal camera here. Now I'm just going to be crossing the road here, and while this one does look a bit better here, I'm not sure if it's going to be marginally better than the previous one here. So just walking, you guys also let me know about the audio quality, because audio quality also usually matters and stuff like this. But yes, this has basically been the night camera back test of the ASUS Zenfone 4 Max Pro. And hello guys, this is the front camera video test of the Zenfone 4 Max Pro. This is in the morning. I literally just woke up a few hours ago. That's why my voice is like this, and that's why my eyes is quite red. But yes, this is sample video quality you guys are going to be getting from the front camera. And like I said in the night yesterday, I mean for you guys just instantly, but for me it's yesterday, it actually doesn't look half bad. I would say the front camera here actually looks, I mean, I'm yet to take it to my computer again. That's the point. But yes, it actually looks okay. What do you think? Do you think it looks okay? Let me know in the comments down there below. And this is a back camera video test in the day on the standard lens here. So I'm just going to be walking over the bridge there. You guys can kind of get an idea of how it is like if you're recording and walking. Just going to be pointing at the roads there. There's some construction over there which is kind of loud, but yes, this is the kind of sample video quality. Just trying to see the autofocus speed right there and the depth of field. So yeah, not the fastest, but yes, this is the sample video quality you're going to be getting on the standard lens on the Zenfone 4 Max Pro. And this is a sample video quality from the wide angle lens here, so you can see it can actually take in way more than the standard lens right there. Yes, so performance wise, I would say this is not bad. I mean, definitely I'm not taking it to my computer, but it doesn't look like it is the sharpest out there. But yes, you guys do give me your thoughts. This one I can also say is kind of distorted. It has that GoPro effect because of the wide angle. But anyway, that's basically been it for the video test, both for the front and back at day in the night. What do you guys feel? Do you like the wide angle lens? Let me know in the comments down there below. And welcome back, guys. Now, what do you feel about the video quality on this camera? Let me know. Wait, where is the phone? Okay, yes, the phone is here. Let me know. And something that really surprised me is the fact that most of the photos I took lacked sharpness, especially when you zoomed in. And on average, it really surprised me because they have 60 megapixel cameras, so the detail should be there. Dynamic range is another thing, but detail should definitely have been there. So I think it boils down to one of two things. The first is because of lack of stabilization. The second, I think, is because of poor software optimization. So it's either one of these two. Anyways, that's basically been it for this video. What do you think about the camera samples from this phone here? Let me know. Leave your thoughts in the comments down there below. And that's basically been it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. It helps me out. I like it. A thumbs up if there's anything you do not like at all, anything at all, let me know. And yes, it's about to rain heavily. And even most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you do not miss future amazing wonderful videos. And even apart from that, please make sure you take care of yourself. You're an amazing person, and I shall catch you lovely awesome amazing person next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.